Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge on ZTE Blade A51. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store. Now click on search bar and type in Edge. Now click install. Now you can click open. And here you can click skip introduction. Now you can customize your homepage, or you can click not now. Here you can sign in to sync your data, or you can click not now. Here you can make your Microsoft Edge your default browser, or you can click not now. And here you have to confirm your data and privacy settings. And now it asks if you want to see notifications from this app, or you can click no thanks. And here it asks if you want to see import your browsing data from Google, or you can just scroll down. So that is for this video. Your browser is now ready to use, and if you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.